If you have a Toyota Sequoia or Toyota Tundra with the overturn, or if you flip the car, there's a valve in the gas tank that shuts off so the gas doesn't drip off. If you top this Toyota Tundra or Sequoia, if you top it off, that valve will shut close and you will drive and the car will stall and you won't be able to start it again. And then when you're gonna be filling up, every time the hose will be popping off. So if you have that problem, you open the gas tank, you remove the cap. I had to drive with my family 300 miles away from home and tow the vehicle back to find this. You get, see those holes? Those are vents, so you need to block them. You get a bottle, clean it out, make a hole, wrap a rag around it. Right now it's not gonna be tight, but put it on top right here, like this. You grab an air hose, you put it inside, and you just pressurize that tank. Pressurize it until that valve opens up. And when you do that, your vehicle will start and it will run. Sometimes you will have to pressurize it a couple times, but when I'm saying pressurize it, you give it some air. That's how you will start your car. Other than that, you'll have to drop the tank, which my tank is full and I want to do it, but do not top it off, and then you will have even problems with your charcoal canister. Thank you.